Hello, aspiring self-sponsors and future UK residents. Today, we're going to dive into the process of obtaining a UK self-sponsorship visa, a pathway for individuals who want to live and work in the UK based on their own unique qualifications. If you're ready to learn how to make your dreams of living in the UK a reality, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Before we get into the details, let's make sure you understand what UK self-sponsorship visa is. Well, there's currently no official UK self-sponsorship visa. And before you think it's a Zen statement or a puzzle, let me clarify. It is possible to start a business in the UK and have your business sponsor you for a skilled worker visa. Your business will need to obtain a skilled worker sponsor license before you can apply for a skilled worker visa for yourself. The self-sponsored skilled worker visa route can lead to settlement in the UK, and you can be joined by dependent partners and children. The self-sponsorship visa will require you to establish a UK company that will sponsor your entry and employment in the UK. With the assistance of a UK resident director, you can own shares in the business and there is no minimum investment requirement. The best part is any business can qualify for the self-sponsorship route. There's no requirement for an endorsement letter or having a business idea that is unique or innovative. So, what are the steps in the self-sponsorship process? Well, the first step is to establish a UK company. If you're a non-UK resident, you will be required to appoint a UK-based director initially. The second step is to apply for a sponsor license and a certificate of sponsorship. The UK company will be required to submit a most recent bank statement, and it's important that the bank is registered with the Financial Conduct Authority and the Prudential Regulation Authority in the UK. You will also need an employer's liability insurance, a PAYE and accounts reference number from HMRC. The business can provide a VAT reference if you have one. If you're acquiring an existing business or if your business has been in existence for a while, you can also provide your most recent annual statements. The business will have to demonstrate that your job offer is a genuine vacancy. Your job is at an appropriate skill level. You will be paid a salary which equals or exceeds a general salary threshold, also known as the going rate, which is the minimum hourly rate for your occupation. Your sponsor will have had to pay the immigration skills charge along with the COS fee. Once you have all of that in place and the certificate of sponsorship is assigned to you, the third step is to apply for the skilled worker visa. Here, as an applicant, you will be required to demonstrate that you're competent in the English language at least till CEFR level B1 or an equivalent of band 4 in the IELTS for 𝐂𝐸𝐴. Further, you will need to demonstrate you have enough money to support yourself without relying on public funds. You would have provided a valid TB test certificate if this is a requirement from the country where you're applying. There are a number of key benefits of the self-sponsorship route. You'll be able to apply for settlement, which is indefinite leave to remain after 5 years. You do not need to have your business idea endorsed by an approved endorsing body in the UK. There is no minimum investment requirement, and you can be a majority shareholder in your business. You can bring your partner and children to the UK, and your partner will be allowed to work in the UK employment market. Obtaining a UK self-sponsorship visa is a fantastic opportunity to live and work in the UK on your own terms. It's not without its challenges, so be prepared and diligent in meeting the requirements. Seek professional advice if necessary and stay updated on the immigration laws and regulations. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more immigration-related content. If you have any questions or need further guidance, please leave a comment below and we'll do our best to assist you. We wish you the best of luck with your self-sponsorship journey and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.